Hi, I'm Chris at 4 Home Speakers, and today we're showing you our new incredible product, Sabrent. This is the Sabrent Classique wireless TV stereo speaker system with remote control. Now, this is dependable technology that lets you place the speakers anywhere you want to in your home up to 150 feet, okay? And they'll play from your TV, satellite box, or cable box. Now, these speakers are freestanding right here, but they also have mounts on the back to hang them on your wall if you like. Now, for video purposes, I've put batteries in all three products here, including the transmitter, but all three of these items come with a provided plug, so you don't have to worry about that. Now, this is extremely simple to set up. There are only 2 cords. That's how easy it is. Now, on the back of most TVs, satellite boxes, or cable boxes, you have an audio out. You take the provided RCA cable, insert it in, take the connecting cable, connect. Now on the back of the transmitter, you've got a USB charging port, you have 3 channels, and where to plug it in. And just like that, you've got music. Crystal clear sound up to 150 feet with bass boost on the remote control. Listen to these. Incredible sound. Okay, let me just kill it just for a second. Okay, it gets even better. Say mom and dad or grandma and grandpa, you know, maybe they can't hear that well. These speakers are great for the hearing impaired and the elderly. Now, if the children want to listen to the TV or you want to listen to the TV at the same time, you can take this system right here, take this cord and plug it into the back of your cable box, turn the volume back up on the television. You can have the speakers in a different room and there's no reverb. Now it gets even better because this provided cable, you can also take all of your iProducts, your iPhone, your iPad, your MP3 player, your computer, plug it right in. It's also a docking station, which I thought was really neat. Okay, please don't forget to visit us, JMJ Supply, 4 Home Speakers, and check out our YouTube channel. Thank you.